So thankfully, I was able to get on American Airlines, and I flew their premium economy from London to New York. I've flown American Premium Economy a number of times before, and I actually have plans to fly them again this summer. I was thrilled that when I got on, I realized I was on their new 787s that have the redesigned cabin. So it had the business class
Oh.
suites, which I've never flown on American, and it had the
Mm-hmm.
redesigned premium economy, which looked fantastic. It looked
Mm-hmm.
fresh and modern and comfortable and elevated. I didn't see the actual economy, so I don't know if that design still went through back to the back of the plane, but the premium economy section looked fantastic. I was able to get a bulkhead seat, which I was so excited about.
Okay.
We usually don't get those because my husband doesn't like them because he can't stretch out.
He's very tall for our
He
listeners.
is. But most bulkheads in premium economy will have the little, instead of just the footrest, they'll have the leg rest too, kind of like the lazy boy action.
Yeah.
And as a shorty, that is really comfortable for me. So I was able to book the bulkhead and I booked a window seat because I had planned to work the whole time. It was so comfortable. I
Awesome.
ended up laying back for a small nap and I was able to stretch out completely. Like not lie flat, but I was straight. So if you're a
That's
shorty, book the bulkhead and you are,
nice. Good tip.
yeah, it's like business class for short girls. It was really comfortable. They gave us a great pillow that had like little wings on it, so it was really comfortable. A blanket, a little amenity kit. It was premium economy. I think, especially on a daytime flight like that, is such a
Yeah.
sweet spot. I have to tell you though, before we're done here, about the weird lighting situation. And I
Tell
don't
us.
know if this is a new thing. I've never experienced it, if it was a fluke or what. So if anyone out there has had the same experience, let me know because it was so weird. So this was a daytime flight. It left at 10:30 a.m., landed in New York, I don't know, like 2 p.m. or something. The entire time in the middle of the day. I had booked a window seat so I could keep the window open so I could work, keep the light on me. I wanted to make sure I stayed awake to readjust back to East Coast. And after the meal, they turned all of the lights out in the cabin. But then we were on the newer plane that doesn't have the manual shade. It has the little button.
Yeah,
And
the
they
Dreamliner.
stopped, like they turned off the ability to adjust your own window shade. Has this happened to you, Chris? Have you seen this? Is this a thing?
No, but I've seen a lot of complaints, and it's just I don't know why. I don't think it's a corporate mandate by American
Yeah.
Airlines, but I think maybe just some flight attendants just would prefer everyone to just be quiet and go to bed.
I mean, I'm sure they would, but I was so annoyed. It was so dark and it makes it so hard to work. I mean, I get that on
That's
an overnight
frustrating.
flight or even like,
Yeah.
yeah, but like the fact that I couldn't control my own window shade and I'm
Mhm.
sitting in a dark plane in the middle of the day when I had planned to work that whole time because
Yeah.
it was a Monday and I need to get stuff done. It was weird and I was confused and I was not happy. And like, I guess it's not a big deal, but like when you do need to work on a daytime flight, I don't know, blew my mind. So that was
Yeah,
weird.
that's
And I hope
frustrating.
that does not stick around. One reason to not be a fan of those shades, which
Yeah, I don't
otherwise are
like those
really cool.
windows.
Yeah.
They're cool. Yeah, I think the
They're
technology is
cool,
cool, but that's
but
the thing. Like, sometimes you can't even control your own window.
yeah, and it just felt weird. So, anyways, that was my one big complaint. But otherwise, like American Airlines Premium Economy, even the old was really nice. And I have to check. I hope my flights this summer are on the newer plane, just so I can experience it in a different row and see if the rest of it is as good as the bulkhead. But it's great for those flights that either you
Yeah.
don't need to sleep, that aren't too long, or if you need to buy more tickets, or if you can't afford business class. It is such an upgrade from economy. So
Yeah.
that was my
Love
trip.
it.
It was great. Yeah.